सर हाम्रो यो माउन्ट अन्नपूर्ण माध्यमिक विद्यालयको वार्षिक उत्सव भव्यताका साथ सुसम्पन्न गर्ने भनेर हामी टिचर लगायत सम्पूर्ण राम्रोसँग जुटेका छौँ। विद्यार्थीहरूले फरक फरक क्याटेगोरीमा आफ्नो अभिनयहरू गर्दैछन्। यस वर्षको कार्यक्रमलाई हामी सभ्य र भव्य रूपले सफल पारौँ भन्ने चाहिँ मेरो धारणा छ। रमाइलो छ, उनीहरूलाई पढिराख्नुभन्दा अरू क्रियाकलापहरू गर्नमा उनीहरू उत्सुक छन्। नयाँ नयाँ सामग्रीहरू बनाएका छन् प्रदर्शन गर्नको लागि।
त्यही नै हो, अब हामीलाई आशा छ अब हाम्रो प्रोग्राम राम्रो हुन्छ भन्ने।
Namaste. I'm Umesh Khanal, the ECA coordinator and English teacher here at Mount Annapurna Secondary School. Here I'm talking about the ECA activities and the preparation for Parents' Day, which is to be held on 25th and 26th of this month. Regarding ECA activities, we have formed ECA team here for the first time in many years. Under the mentorship of our ECA director, Mr. Tes Gurung, we have formed a 5-member committee, ECA committee or ECA team. And our ECA team is organizing many different activities for our students, ranging from quiz programs to speech competitions, from spelling competitions to dance competitions. So we have tried to include all the aspects of learning, from academic subjects to artistic subjects like dance, music and song. And our ECA team is especially instrumental in preparing for the upcoming Parents' Day for 25th and 26th of the month. And under the mentorship and the leadership of our ECA director, Mr. Tes Gurung, we have formed 19 different committees for the smooth execution of this coming Parents' Day. There are committees like media and publicity, drinking water, dance and costume, drama committees there. So we hope this time we are going to celebrate this Parents' Day with a great sense of festivity, celebration and excitement. And I would like to request on behalf of the school, all the parents, and the stakeholders, plus others who are willing to join us and who are willing to be part of the celebration, to come and witness the grand event of 47th Parents' Day on 25th and 26th. Thank you.
म यस माउन्ट अन्नपूर्ण माध्यमिक विद्यालयमा अध्ययनरत छात्र स्वयंपुन र म 9 कक्षामा पढ्छु र म यो स्कुलमा कक्षा 6 देखि अध्ययनरत गरेर आइरहेको छु र म यो स्कुलप्रति धेरै आभारी छु र यो स्कुलले मलाई धेरै कुरा सिकाएको छ र